Barton Community College, the music department is more than just a place to study. It's a community where passion meets opportunity. Whether you're an aspiring performer, a dedicated future teacher, or simply love music, Barton offers an array of programs designed to nurture your talent and prepare you for a successful future.
At Barton, we believe in a hands-on approach to learning. Our small class sizes mean you get personalized attention from experienced faculty and opportunities to perform in our beautiful facilities.
From solo performances to ensemble experiences, our students take the stage and showcase their skills in a variety of settings.
As a future music educator, I really enjoyed the curriculum because I get valuable performance experience and also a deep dive into music theory and technology.
I've grown so much here at Barton. The support from the faculty and the hands-on experience I've gained are so incredible. I feel truly prepared for my future in music.
Our goal is to provide quality experiences for students so that they can continue playing and singing after high school no matter what they decide to major in.
I'm getting a scholarship to play in the concert, pep, and jazz band, and I'm majoring in liberal studies.
I love singing, and I can do that here at Barton and get a scholarship, even though I'm majoring in anthropology.
As a liberal studies major, I wasn't sure if I would have time to keep singing, but the professors work with me and my schedule to make it easy. And it's affordable thanks to my music scholarships.
With access to expert faculty, outstanding facilities, and affordability, Barton Community College is your launchpad to a career in music. Ready to make your musical dreams a reality? Visit our website or call us today to learn more about how you can join the Barton Music Department. Your future in music starts here.